If your kitchen stinks, it might be the garbage disposal. This is the active garbage disposal cleaner. Super easy to use. It comes with 24 tablets. All of these are individually wrapped. All you do is you run hot water for a minute, and then you're gonna unwrap this. It smells so good, super fresh. It smells like an orange and lemon. I love those scents for the kitchen. You drop this into your garbage disposal, run it for 1 minute, and boom, your kitchen's gonna smell so much better. I've linked this below. Get it before they're gone. These are incredible.